So, we are starting now. We've done sentence correction, critical reasoning, reading comprehension. I saw the the test that I offered you, the performance of each of the candidates. Where, however, the questions were much in passage order and in a very, even though the passage was three um, paragraphs long, the problem that I found that you could not, trace out the keyword and the keyword area, keyword in the question and the keyword area into the passage. So somebody got 5 out of 5 right, but the time taken was means unbelievably long. So if you spend say 35 minutes on a passage, whereas you know that the answer areas are specific, then I think you will do only one passage, not even one passage in 25 minutes. Is that? Am I correct? If I, because like it is specific, like if only primary purpose requires you to summarize the passage, and that also you don't need to summarize initially. What you are supposed to do is jump down to question number 2, start doing from question number 2 down, and go down and down and down, and then finally you come back to do. So our task is to do those questions whose answers can be specifically, so it was a very like very strange performance I found. Okay. So if you think that you need to understand every word, like and then you need to do the passage, then that will take really long time. So it's like your everything lies in the question, understanding the question, what the question wants, what are the essential keywords there, and in that will help you get the right specific area. Okay, so I think you did not follow me. That also may be a true thing. Like, I was telling something, you were hearing something, or something like that. Something happened. Like, so I was like, I told you, say, in the keyword or the specific answer area, if you see that it is in line number 5, so your reading should be limited to 4 to 6 maximum, these many lines, or one sentence, or maximum 2 sentences, if there is a contrast word or a conclusion word. That's the thing. I hope I saw your responses were very, very shocking, right? So today we are going to start writing. My job is to move ahead, but if you, my job, I mean, I will not stop. Yes, I can, as I have promised, like we need to, we can give 2 more hours or 3 more hours. Yeah, only one person has managed somewhat good timing on online. That is Nirajan Thapa, who has got 5 out of 5 correct in a specific 11 minute 39 seconds. Means on paper or in real GMAT format, he can come down to 8 minutes. I know it because the formatting here is not that standard. Only he satisfied me. Otherwise, otherwise, other people. There is one person, Ritu Tweetwi. She has done it in 36 minutes 5 seconds. She's 5 out of 5 correct. But if you spend the whole day and then you get all right, that does not matter, right? That does not help us, our coach. Okay, so I'm going to start writing today, no doubt. Um, but yes, I'll be like, I'll talk to Saroji, and then I will fix a specific date and time for reading comprehension again. I think you will spoil it. Okay. And I have also told you to keep a dictionary beside you. And don't check dictionary for the difficult word in the passage. Check dictionary for the difficult word in the questions. You will not be allowed a dictionary in the examination, but you don't have the words. What can you do? So while practicing, at least you can achieve this thing. So we are now, let's start reading, say writing. Okay. We'll be doing issue essay. We'll be starting issue essay today. And then we will move on to argument essay. Um, do you have anything to say? Anybody regarding reading comprehension? No, nothing. Book is there in front of you, in your hand. तपाईंसँग पुस्तक पनि छ. You have everything. You have the notes. You have dictionary in your, nowadays you are living in very advanced time. Dictionaries are there in your hand. Okay. The issue essay, let's first of all, I will throw another passage today. Let me see. At the end, I will provide you the link. So let me first of all let us know about what is the importance of ISU-SA. ISU-SA. So you will be doing two essays, one ISU-SA, and the importance of ISU-SA is for TU. I think on the first day also I told you at Tribhuvan University, this essay is important. And this essay, you will get 30 minutes to write a response, something 300 plus words. And in addition to this 30 minutes, you will have case study that will also of 30 minutes writing. And case study and ISU-SA, suppose if like it's not fixed, but if ISU-SA gives you 15 marks and case study gives you 20 marks, full marks. So altogether you are doing these two writing pieces of writing for TU, especially for TU, for 35 marks. Remember, in verbal and quantitative, TU's quantitative is a very challenging thing. TU's verbal is mostly official. Recent updated official questions are tested. Quantitative, sometimes official, sometimes they add up something that you may not have seen. Very horrible questions are tested. So this is the saving grace because the test takes place MCQ test, MCQ plus writing test, AWA. These two tests take place on the same day, is equal to first result. So if your performance in essay is not good, like if you're not writing issue essay well and case study nicely, then you are losing this. And once you have lost it, means your chances at PU are gone. And since 2012 में शुरुआत थी जनवरी में त्यति बेला 2012 को जनवरी को केस रिजल्ट थियो आई रिमेम्बर very interesting result. Quantitative, some candidate got 0. They used to publish the result. Verbal, somewhat 3 or 4. Okay. And in writing, somebody got 33. The admission was granted on the basis of writing. Okay, that was the horrible result. I still remember in 2012. And it continued for 2-3 years. And it is still a challenge in terms of quantitative. But when you look at KU, the KU's case is like in their quantitative is not that strong. As their verbal section, they give you sometimes they give you horrible questions. Therefore, if you are not practiced well, if you take it lightly, then KU will run away. And KU has got no essay importance in the first result. For the first result, you have to get at KU, you have to get MCQ, means quantitative and verbal sections must be done well. Then only you can get the first result. And after the first result, you will be allowed to ask argument essay. that on the first attempt, you are not writing essay. Okay. So argument plus PI, personal interview. I don't know whether they have added something more, GD or anything, but so far as I know, it's like I mean, only Sarojji can help you. Whether they have added group discussion or presentation besides argument, this is the standard format. So it means like 70 people, they clear this one MCQ test, and then the remaining these 70 people have to do this argument essay and personal interview. अब त्यहाँ पर्सनल इन्टरभ्यू नै हरिबल हुन्छ ओके अब कसरी त्यो त there will be a special artist who will train you, and there will be an artist who will train you in case study, right? I am another artist, I am doing another job, right? So case study, even though I know, but I don't do it because I'm not very good at it. I know it just because I studied law for 300 marks or something like that. So, but it's not my concern. We have an expert for that. Okay? So you have to be very conscious. In case of when you are learning issue, you have to know that it is going to affect your first result. In KU, it is the second result. Argument essay, that an argument essay is important for your selection, their final selection. Now let's start with issue essay details. Issue essay, actually you get an issue topic. And this issue topic is not common topic, right? It has got the topic is related to society, only society, nothing else. So it can be socio-economic, whatever comes, socio-academic, it can be socio-cultural, it can be socio-scientific, it can be socio-political, now the topic, these are the different types of topics that you will be doing. Okay, say socio-economic, you need to know like because from all these areas like economic, academic, cultural, scientific, technology also is covered in scientific one. You will get questions on technology, So that also relates to society, and issue means problem. So the author will state a problem or an issue that we have to, and the author will have a point of view. Listen to me very carefully. The author will have a point of view, and that point of view we have to agree or disagree. That's what happens, right? And when we agree or disagree, when the author offers in this issue topic itself, in this issue topic, you have got cause and effect. Means the author's claim will be there. The effect is the claim of the author, right? The effect is the claim of the author, and this claim is supported by the reason, cause or reason. Do you understand? So if the author is making any claim out there related to some issue or a problem, certainly the author offers some sort of reason about it. So if I say that um, you know, education should be free for all, so I must have a reason. If I'm making a claim, education should be free for all. If I'm making this claim, then I must have a reason, because majority of the population cannot afford, you know, the price for education. If I offer, so in my claim, for my claim, I am offering a reason. And if you agree with me, you are actually agreeing with my reason. Not only claim, but also you are agreeing with my reason. If you disagree with me, then you are rejecting my reason that majority of the people are poor. Well, with corona, half of the globe has again become poor. So this is poverty making machine now. So claim. So this is what you understand. If you agree with my claim, you are agreeing with my reason. If you are not agreeing with my claim, you are disagreeing with my reason. That's what happened. When you agree with the author's claim, then you are agreeing with the reason the author offers, right? And if you agree with the reason of the author, then you have to prove that. And when you have to prove, what do we need? Proof करने के लागि के चाहिए? What do we need to prove? Can somebody tell me loudly? Proof करने के लागि के चाहिए? What is the most important thing? के चाहिए?
Examples.
Example चाहिए. Yes. अब तपाईको example कहाँबाट आउँछ? त example काल्पनिक हुन सक्दैन. ओके. काल्पनिक example लेख्नुहुन्छ तपाईको स्कोर घटेर कता गइहाल्छ? Nobody knows. Okay. So you can't use if and suppose kind of examples. Remember. So it's like the example that you offer here must be from authentic example. Authentic examples from reading. Mark my words for granted, if you write if or suppose, ध्वस्त भइहाल्छ तपाईको सबै performance, all regions are gone. So your examples should come from reading, observation, pop culture, and personal experience. It's like only personal experience can be cooked up. You can cook up personal experience, but you can't cook up anything. Like if you are talking about Napoleon Bonaparte and you cite wrong information about Napoleon Bonaparte, they don't look at a right or wrong year, date, or something like that of his defeat at Waterloo. But if you are talking about Napoleon Bonaparte, the at least information must be good. Correct. If you are talking about observation, that must be, correct observation. Pop culture means popular culture. The hero and the heroines and the musicians and the dancers and lyricists, everybody comes in pop culture, right? Okay. So this is what. And then but you see, personal experience ko chance kam cha, because the topics don't give you a lot of room for writing in personal experience. त्यो अलिकति असम्भव कुरो त छैन, तर you will not get much. So you must have good understanding of the corporate world, बिजनेस को अब इकोनोमिक्स छ भने कर्पोरेट वर्ल्डको बारेमा थाहा हुनुपर्छ। मिन्स कतिवटा देशको इकोनोमिक कन्डिसन थाहा हुनुपर्छ। अहिले कोरोनाको इफेक्ट छ, उसको इफेक्ट थाहा हुनुपर्छ कि हाउ मेनी कंट्रीज हैव बिकम पुअर नाउ, हाउ मेनी पुअरर कंट्रीज हैव बिकम पुअर, ओके, and then poorer, rather poorer, right? So corona's impact on people's health, more than that health's impact, what is the impact of corona is on the economy of common of people of the world now. So therefore corona is dangerous. Okay, now, so these are the things, basic things that you need to know. Now अब ये था भयो कि what the topic will be and what will be the source of the topic, what problems will be stated there. Then now let us think of how to write it, how to write the essay, because you know what you will be agreeing or disagreeing. Okay, topic pani ma bhandiye, the like education should be free for all. This is a real topic. You can check it out. There are 130 topics. Okay, and 130 topics to book ma cha, 12th edition book ma cha. ठीक छ। अब यो इशू टॉपिक को लागि, इशू एसे को टॉपिक को लागि you have to refer to 12th edition. That was the last book published with issue topic, 12th edition of OG, official guide, right? So 12th edition को last मा argument र issue दुवै छ। Okay, GMAT has stopped testing issue, but if you type on the Google issue essay topics GRE, then you can get GRE मा छ अहिले, GRE is still testing issue. So now what are the things that we need to do? Like for let's know this color is troubling me. So there are certain steps of writing, right? So let us write down. Please write down steps to writing. Don't doubt my English. Okay, steps to writing. ठीक छ नि, अलि odd लाग्यो नि. Steps to writing issue essay. Step number 1, we have a very ready-made format, like very interesting format for you, for that works in Nepal, does not work in America. If somebody writes like that for GRE, will get 2 or 3 out of 6. So steps to writing issue essay. So number 1, analyze Lekhnus, analyze the topic. And when you analyze the topic, you look for cause and effect in the topic. Like there is only one line of logic, that is causal. 2, determine the claim. The effect is the claim. So its effect is the claim or conclusion. Number 3, take a position. So you take a position means agree or disagree Absolutely. Now, if you want to be adventurous, that's your, you can take risk at your own, at the cost of your admission. ठीक है? If you want to take risk, then no, I will agree partially, I will disagree partially. Then in that case, you remember that you won't, in half an hour's time, you won't be able to balance it well, and you will have lost the game. So you take only one position, either agree or disagree. Further, it's your choice. But my advice is, like, it's like tested and tried advice: do not do that. Okay, straight up. When you agree, prove agree. Disagree, prove disagree. And then you have to construct a thesis. Construct the thesis. And this thesis is also ready-made, not very very big tension to construct it. I'll provide you, because I know that only very few people have habit of writing. Majority of the people are not even part-time writers, right? And there is a creative thesis as well, but I will not take risk by doing so. Number 5, brainstorm for examples. Yes, you need examples. Ms. Srijana Subedi has told, examples matter. No matter how good argument you are presenting, if there is no good example, the case is destroyed. Okay? No? Okay. You can see there is a suicide case of a Bollywood actor, and the evidences are being collected. Until and unless there is a perfect evidence, the person cannot be caught, right? So brainstorm for examples. The court will not trust any logic without example. And then number 6 is, write the first hand draft. Write the first hand draft means पहिलो चोटी लेखेको draft. First hand draft को मतलब के हुन्छ, you should not think of grammar here. You should not think whether I am repeating the same word. Just go on writing and write and write and write. Okay. And then finally revise and edit. This should be done at last. You need to revise and you need to have revision and editing thing. I think it's good to write in pencil. You carry a pencil, means dark, pitch dark, graphite. The pencil that contains pitch dark graphite. You be careful when you are buying Nataraj. Carry Nataraj HB, and don't keep it pointed. Okay, points should be broken. The point like break garera lekhnus ali thick lekincha. So you will have eraser. You can erase and edit and revise at the end. It will be easier. But if you write in pen, then I think it will be difficult. So good to write. If you are writing in on paper, but if you are doing it online, that is a possibility. I can also test you out online. Whether so online यदि लेख्नुहुन्छ भने, there is no problem. You are typing. Now it depends on the university whether they are going to conduct the test online or offline. Only Sarojji can tell you. I cannot tell. So revising and editing, without this last step, your entire product will be useless. Remember. So from 1 to 5, from step 1 to 5, you will spend say 5 minutes. 5 minutes માં એટલું કામ હોનું પડશે. That kind of speed you need to maintain. If you can't, then take maximum 7 minutes. And then take 15 minutes for this. Not never write more than 15 minutes. 15 minutes માં 300 word type કરનું or writing. That is your problem. Your speed is your problem. Now, then you will have 5 to 10 minutes to edit. And without editing, your writing will be like Charles Dickens writing, okay? Incoherent, unorganized, right? And this also has some importance. So this is all about, I think you have noted down everything. I'm erasing. Okay, yes. It has become quite easy. It looks as if I'm doing the class in the physical classroom atmosphere, with duster and marker. Teaching writing has become quite easy. In the last class when I had to type. I was typing everything. Here I'm writing everything, much like board. Miss Ritu, tweet me, why did you take so long time in doing the passage? Can you provide me some reason? Or you're relaxing, sipping tea and coffee and juice, and then you're doing after some time. Okay. So now let's know the issue as a template. We will follow only one template. There are certain people, those who try to be adventurous, and they go to the book and they try to pick up the template from the book, and then they start practicing that. I have already told you, do everything at your own risk. But you follow this template. This is a hit template out there, super hit. Almost maximum admissions that we have had with the help of this template. And it is very simple. You will construct the thesis, the first paragraph, then you will provide example 1. The other is example 2. Next one is example 3, and then conclusion. This is para 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 paragraphs you will write. Suppose this example you pick up from reading. This example from observation. And third example you get from pop culture. Okay. No. Or personal experience, right? So I mean, like it's not necessary that every time you will have an observation. Means this is just a kind of I've just delineated a plan. This plan may not be always applicable. You may need to answer. You may need to write all examples that come from reading, history book, science book, storage. So reading means plays, novels, novel characters. Also, you can write the character of novel, story, news, etc. Okay, observation that you see around, whatever like observation means, authentic observation. For example, corruption is something that is authentic observation that you can see in every department. For example, I was at a court, and there was a judge sitting there. This is a real observation, and I had like my file had to be handed over to the. It was supposed to reach to the judge. Judge was then and there, but there were three processes of reaching the file to the judge. At every process, at every step, they charged 100 rupees. Give 100 rupee. Okay, so judge was sitting there. So this way, 300 from one person, the file reached the judge. Only the file should go to. So this is an observation. Okay, so this is called corruption in judiciary. And then the judge, maybe because judge saw that money was being handed over. He was sitting on top that particular thing. So this is how judges and all, they become very rich. So this is an authentic. I've seen that. Then when I stood in the witness box and I just took an oath. For that oath taking ceremony, 100 rupees. Okay. This kind of horrible situation. So you can mention this kind of authentic observation that okay, this is the state of corruption, that for getting one minor work done, this level of corruption is. So this is called observation. Okay. Or if you see that there is intoxication like wine, you can see how the society is being spoiled by wine. So wine is a kind of observation. So people, those who drink, what are they doing? They are not giving any positive thing to the society. What are they giving? Even I was reading an excerpt of a book written by the present president of USA. His niece has written a book, and the observation of the writer in New York Times was that her father was a drunkard and a maniac, Trump's brother. So even in the United States, there is a definition for drunkards. Okay, so you can understand. So this means there is a limitation in certain things, and beyond the limit is drunkard. Okay. Anyways, that society, everybody drinks. Okay. So I mean, so this kind of observations you can give, or smoking or any kind of intoxication is also a kind of observation that you have. This is all related to what is happening now. Or in education system, you can see outdated education system. You can just say that it only makes it is a lottery based education system where somebody who tops has a life. A person who does not top fails to create anything. Okay, so this lottery based education system that we are still victim of. Roulette, this is called Russian roulette system of education now. So you need to have like good number of you need to have examples. Example को लागि के गर्नु पर्छ अब त्यो तपाई बुझिसक्नु भएको होला. Example को लागि पढ्नु पर्छ, right? You must have good examples, means reading. Examples छैन भने it's gone again. Remember, nothing can be achieved if you have no examples. ठीक छ? It's like you have got all dhan, but if you have no santosh dhan, everything is gone, right? The same way, examples are the most important thing. There is a template, it is done here. It was done in the previous class. I think Ms. Rajana Subedi was a party to that class, I think. No? So Miss Srijana Subedi was a party to that class, means she is the only available living example in this class. So you know, because learning is not a solitary activity, this is socio academic. The topic is because learning is not a solitary activity but one that requires collaboration among people. The cause is stated. Hmm, what happened? Hmm. The cause is stated here, and effect can also be seen. So actually the effect is the claim of the author. You can see this effect, it's already done. Students of all ages will benefit academically if they work frequently in groups. And then what we have done, that we'll see that was done in the class. um, and this cause and effect separated. This is your preliminary work, like analyzing the text. So uh, I have done the analysis for you, and then I have followed this template for it's for entrance. This is example 1, example 2, example 3, and then there is a sample here. Let's see. You know the topic well. There is a thesis here. Thesis is ready-made. Author's argument sounds logical to some extent. This means I am not agreeing. The moment I say some extent, I am disagreeing. That, of course, I think my Atma did not agree with that. So I had to choose opposite point of view. So author's argument sounds logical to some extent, that this, after this, that the claim has been written here. The claim: students will benefit from group work. If I scroll up, you will see the same thing is there in the claim. So claim लाई यहाँ मात्र place गर्नु छ. This is ready-made thesis. If you look at the claim here, students will benefit from group work. I have straight away placed here, inserted. And if you write this kind of essay, like this kind of claim and this pattern, the examiners will also know that where you are from, right? It may have become very popular among. Okay, so students will benefit from group work. And since I am not agreeing with the author, I have to write but here. But if I agreed with the author, I would have written to a greater extent. But I'm not agreeing. I'm writing some extent, and therefore I write here but. And I think that on the pretext of group study, this is my point of view, and why I'm against the author. On the pretext of group study, many criminal acts and misadventures take place. So I have to prove these two things with suitable examples. This is called narrowed thesis. This part, okay? And then first example, I would like to cite my experience of group study. This is personal experience. I remember an event of a plan to study in group. A boy of my area and my college requested me to help in economics, as I was good at interpreting economic tenets. A classmate and I reached his home in late evening to find surprisingly that he was ready with a cinema ticket. He forced us to go to cinema instead of studying. We followed him, but a friend of my father saw there and complained him the next day. I landed up being beaten up badly by my father and uncle. Okay, this is a true story. So this happens, right? So this is my personal experience I have cited. Then what have I done? Then in a newspaper, I read something about group study. Second, I would like to talk about a news report, of sons of basically who are the bigger criminals in the world, those who are powerful from powerful houses. Okay, crime, no. So report of sons of a politician and a police officer in Chandigarh, India. It was reported that in the guise means hiding of group study in the behind the pretext of group study, they plan to loot an ATM vending machine. They completed the task successfully, however, got caught because of CCTV cameras. The news went like wildfire in the media houses, leading to the embarrassment of their parents. This is another case, and this is a true story. Okay, that can be checked. Google Chandigarh. No. Third and last, I will be writing. You have to write this third and last, first, second, third, and last. I would like to talk of a relative son. This is my observation, who always cheated him on pretext that he was going for a group study day in and day out. 24 hours he was studying, okay, on the pretext. At the end, he was found smoking cannabis. Cannabis ko meaning ke huncha? Gaja. In a park with his friends. He took money to pay fees, but spent on his addiction. This is the effect of group study again. It was a sheer dismay to my relative, as all his dreams of educating his son to become an engineer dashed down into smokes. Now, dashed down into smoke. See, three prepositions are used. He wasted all fees for tuition of engineering college. Now, and then we have to sum up. This is ready-made again. From the examples above, it is abundantly clear that group study plays spoil sport in the career of a student, right? So this is a ready-made thing, right? Like when you write the summary, the final paragraph. So I have very technically I have written three examples, right? One personal experience, one observation, one reading, right? Now. Then we have template 2, which I do not, permit you because good for GRE candidates, not for you. Healthy. Go healthy with this template. Your template लेखेर 15 उठाउन सक्नुहुन्छ. And, this is a guaranteed thing. Okay, भन्छ नि, in Nepali we say ठोकुवा, something like that. So this is a tested and trusted method for the local test. So I hope you have understood. When we write, we'll be constructing some of the thesis statements here. Let us first of all, this was a kind of example for you, a kind of was this written for you, Miss Srijana?
सर कुन चाहिँ
यो जुन एक्जाम्पल म पढेँ अहिले तपाईले देखाएँ त्यो तपाईहरुको क्लासको लागि म लेखेको थिएँ कि अरु क्लासको लागि
सर हाम्रोमा लेख्नु भएको थियो सर
तपाईहरुमा लेखेको थिएँ अगाडि नै लेखेको थिएँ यस look at these examples like this are topics all of you, so you will find cause and effect thing here. Can you just go through the analysis, like to be an effective leader, this is the effect and the cause factor here. This is the cause. Okay, so to be an effective leader, a public official must, this is from politics, right? Socio-political. यो सोसियो-पोलिटिकल टपिक छ. अब यसको पनि एक्जाम्पल त हुनु पर्छ तपाईसँग. Example, I think everybody would like to agree with this. You must have examples. Can some people, and think of, if you suppose you agree with this thing, because everybody would like to agree with this topic. I have examples for agreement as well as disagreement, but I'm giving you the chance. Like, if you agree, just let us have a kind of brainstorming. If you agree with this topic, like, to be an effective leader, a public official must maintain highest ethical and moral standards. Okay, so what is the problem in the people? In mass, the public has got corrupt practices, immoral practices, but always expects the leader or the public official to be very, very moral and ethical, right? Now, that person goes from the public, right? So this now you have to agree and just mention three names, three figures, three figures, three figure, तीनटा figure को नाम दिनुस्, तपाईहरु त्यहाँ टाइप गर्नुस्. Three figures you would like to mention. तीनटा example राख्नु पर्छ, तीनटा figure चाहियो. Three figures who are very honest, who are ethically and morally very strong. Can you do that? I will see in your text box. Remember, if you have no examples, the whole game is gone, right? You will type here, I'll see your name. नाम त तपाईको appear हुन्छ. And then three people, okay, from Nepal, from world. Okay, I can see the names here. My God, so many names are there. Miss Srijana Subedi writes BP Koirala. She also mentions Nelson Mandela. Good. Sriyasi mentions Martin Luther King. Not good. Wrong. He was. It's a questionable character. Abraham Lincoln, right. Obama, right. To some extent, Obama is again a controversial figure. Mahatma Gandhi, wrong, incorrect, character. Pullman Gissing, right. Warren Buffett, incorrect. Manson, okay, fine. So you have no examples. My God, what will you do? Example ही चाहिए. Then you will be suffering. Is there anybody else who can come up with some more reasonable? See, very common topic I have. अब यहाँ यदि मैं और को topic दिन्छु भने you will be lost into. You have mentioned Mahatma Gandhi, a wrong character, okay? Martin Luther King Jr., a wrong character. Warren Buffett, a wrong character. Here, I don't mean to say they are wrong characters. So in this case, Obama is, oh my God, Julie, that cannot be the answer. You can't write it in the examination hall. I don't know politics, so don't ask this political question. Will that be? I'm also not good at politics. I'm not a politician. But okay, so remember, it's a socio-political thing, and the question itself says, question buncha. Question, some people have mentioned Mahatma Gandhi and Warren Buffett or something. It says that a public official, trick to yahan chani. It's talking about a public official. Public official means in office. Right. Mahatma Gandhi never held any office of public interest. And Martin Luther King Jr. also did not hold any office of public interest. Warren Buffett is a businessman. He's an investor. It's a different character altogether. He does not come into being. But I think if you are inspired by Warren Buffett, that's good. One day you will become a good investor. So we have to get three figures, those who have been in the office and have done tremendous job, okay, in the interest of people, and they have been ethically and morally very strong. Okay, so if we consider from Nepal, yes, Ms. Srijana writes BP Koirala, unblemished figure. So Mr. BP Koirala, the late Mr. BP Koirala is unblemished figure that you can mention. She mentioned Kullman Gissing. This is also the right, figure. If she mentions there Ramesh Kharel from Nepal is also a very interesting figure, very honest to the core. I like this figure very much. And then, but you can't mention Sushma Koiral. Okay. Maitigar, right? Because she is a social worker, but she is not a and public official, right? So alone from Nepal, you have got three examples, but one, like if you're writing two examples from Nepal, add one example from abroad. So there is somebody who writes Nelson Mandela. I like this character very much. There is a reason. Nelson Mandela did not promote his near and dear ones. and he stopped Africa from falling to bloodshed. Obama, yes, there is no, blame on him, but so far as administration is concerned, is a questionable thing, anyways. Okay, but since he comes from a black community, tortured and tormented community, like fine, many people are interested in him, but he is half white. Remember, he is not fully black. He belongs to handsome black people. Okay, not ugly black. Okay, so pity should go to ugly black people. Okay, the white accepted him because he was half white. And then you have got Abraham Lincoln. Somebody has mentioned, fine. Martin Luther King Jr. is not right character, but Martin Luther King Sr. is right character. Martin Luther King. Senior. So he lived in 1300 AD. He was a public official. He was appointed in church, and he fought a war against the church, and he reformed later on. He against Catholic Church, and he reformed the church, and he established a new kind of Christianity that's called Protestantism. Okay, so this is Martin Luther King. You can in public office, you can, even a king is public official because he is in the so you can mention there, like you can talk about a king as a public official, Prithvi Narayan Shah. Okay, you can mention his name. Okay, or you can mention Napoleon Bonaparte. Very interesting character because he always, led the war by example. There are many people. Like if you look down upon, if you look at even Winston Churchill, you can talk about, like, he was very ethical and morally correct man for England, not for the rest of the world. Okay? But somebody told last time Winston Churchill, very little controversial, but he was not corrupt. Okay, so you have got many examples. Okay, so there in the examination hall, do not write anything that I don't know politics, I don't know education, I have no example, I'm sorry, so please pass me. Okay, that's not be written. They will not have any pity on you. So if you look at here, government should not fund any scientific research whose consequences, either medical or ethical, are unclear. Can you see this? The cause and effect, it's done here for you. The cause is unclear medical and ethical consequences is the cause, and then the effect is should not fund. So there are many examples right now. Even if since there is what is called you may have heard of hydroxychloroquine, remdesivir, and many other medicines which are being given to the corona patients. This is also a kind of unethical practice, whose medical trial and has not been successful, is not confirmed, and they are giving medicines from like those sources, right? Or there are many people, like this trial is going on human being that might cause some sort of irritation or might kill.
Sir.
Yeah.
यो स्टेटमेन्ट छ नि अहिलेको माथि सार्छु न एकचोटी. सर यसमा नि साइन्टिफिक रिसर्च भनेको छ नि, अनि मेडिकलतिरको सेक्टर हेर्दाखेरि त सर सधैँभरि कन्सिक्वेन्सेस त अनक्लियरै हुन्छ होइन र?
If you don't agree with this region, you can go against जान सक्नुहुन्छ. It's very simple. If you think that government should not fund, if you think that, if you agree, then you will be believing in government should not fund. But if you disagree, then you will have to talk against it. You are free to take any position. Okay, yes, that's right. Allopathy ma badi huncha. Allopathy is dangerous. The next question is, government officials should rely on their own judgment rather than unquestioningly carrying out the will of the people whom they serve. So if you look at this one, government should rely on their own judgment rather than, there is no a cause here. Why they should rely? The cause is not stated. So I have written the cause somewhere, that's called inferred cause. We have to understand and infer the cause here. The will of the people may be ineffective with regard to public governmental policies. This must be understood why the author is making the claim. Okay, so if you look at, I have written here some thesis. This thesis should be understood like the template is not right, for you. Template is for GRE candidates. But this is creative thesis. Like, this is not the thesis that I want you. This is creative thesis. Those candidates who are ready to write and produce frequently to me, and then get the things judged. The creative thesis ma ke huncha, general statement huncha. Let's not talk about it much. I'll be providing you. Aaj ta hami analysis matra. We are just working on then you see the topic from, while some leaders in government, sport industry, and other areas attribute their success to a well-developed sense of competition, a society can better prepare its young people for leadership by instilling in them the sense of cooperation. This is the claim. And what is the reason? The reason is stated here. Competition may have detrimental effect. It is not directly stated, but it is inferred on youths. Okay, so these are the classic examples.
सर
Now, yeah.
यो क्वेसनमा हामीले पोलिटिकल लिडरको एक्जाम्पल लेख्न पाइन्छ कि पाइँदैन?
Yeah, you can, because it's like in leaders in government means you can, those who are leaders in government, they can be politicians, they can be bureaucrats, they can be anybody. I'm giving you some topic here, some fresh topic to identify the cause and effect. Okay, so we have three topics here, and you have to, your job is to, for the topic 1 and 2 and 3 that you see on the screen, in any field of inquiry, the beginner is more likely than the expert to make important discoveries. You have to identify the cause and effect. If there is no cause stated, effect is always stated. Cause, if cause यदि लेखेको छैन भने, you please type inferred cause out there. The second one says technologies not only influence but actually determine social customs and ethics. Again, you have to do the same. Leaders are created primarily by demands that are placed upon them. You may find cause here. So can you work on it? Can you try to tell me what is the effect here? Effect is equal to the claim, and what could be the cause? Oh, oh yes, yes. Oh, I said Susma Koirala. Thank you, Anuradha Koirala. So I'll be looking for your response here in the text box. You will separate cause and effect here. If there is no cause stated directly, you will write your own cause. Your own means relevant, related cause there.
long-term effect.
I can see some people have offered. Means Miss Julie Yadav is still confused. I think I told very clearly that you have to analyze the topic. Analysis of the topic means you have got on the top of the topic. If you are not very clear about the topic and its effect and the region, then how can you write? And there you remember there is a possibility of getting zero as well if you do not get the cause and effect correctly. यदि तपाईं टपिक बुझ्नु भएको छैन भने you will be in trouble. Okay, how can you treat the topic without relevant idea that you like sorry, without understanding the idea behind writing the topic? Okay. Well, I think I'll have to jump in. In any field of inquiry, the beginner is more likely than the expert. Than is there. So expert is less likely. Why is of no importance? Beginner, expert is more likely. So this sentence is putting emphasis, the emphasis on beginner, right? A beginner is more important here to make important discoveries. Now, so the beginner is more likely to make important discoveries is the effect, or you can call it claim. But we don't have why. We don't have a reason why. Somebody has offered, thanks. But what could be the reason for telling beginner is more likely? Because she or he is not bound by the limitations, expertise has, is free to do, like is not bound by the limitations of expertise, because there is a expertise or expert has a limitation. The expert is always careful. When the beginner becomes expert, when the beginner becomes expert, the moment the person becomes expert, he has the limitations of and from there, when the expert makes mistake, he has a fear of making mistake. So fear of making mistake is there with the expert, but with the beginner, no fear. Can do it. Is free from any such, limitations. So, this is the reason for this. Okay. We have to be a little thoughtful in understanding the reason behind it. This is called inferred. When the reason is not stated, this is the task of yours to understand why the author is making this kind of claim. And then technologies not only influence but actually determine the social custom. So technology influences and determines social customs and ethics. That is the claim we get. Technologies influence and determine social customs and ethics. Now, why is not stated. Again, reason is not here. Why? Why technologies influence and determine social customs and ethics? So we have to get the reason. Okay, we can say they become integral to human activities. Yes, I'm doing it fast. You may not do it. You may need to think it. So technologies influence and determine social customs and ethics because they become integral. They become a part of human activity. So if you look at when you are worshipping gods nowadays, what in say 20 years back or 30 years back, we used to keep idols or idols at our homes made of you know soil, okay, made by a porter. But today we have got we import gods and goddesses from China, made by machine, having very good look, okay, very polished look. So now we would love to bring it, and besides that, we have stopped burning lamps of oil. We bring in electronic lamps, and it is very slowly it has become part of ours. We are accepting it, okay. So uh, so technology affects. And then I have seen many people not chanting mantra. They they play YouTube channels, and they chant mantra and they do puja. Okay. So technology certainly affect, and they have always affected throughout the human existence, right? The more handsome and beautiful we become, uh, uh, the more handsome and beautiful our gods also become, like. Do you understand? If
सर गॉड
man,
पनि मोडर्न हुनु भएको होला नि
होइन होइन हामी गड मोडर्न हुनु भएको छैन. हामी गडलाई आफ्नो पर्सपेक्टिभमा क्रिएट गर्छौँ. We are the creators of the God's image. Had we, like, if a monkey thinks the image of God, will always think in the frame of monkey. If a Nigerian thinks the image of God, will think like appearing like a Nigerian with very. So leaders are created primarily by, its cause is already here. Demands create leaders. This is the effect. Demands create leaders. Okay, so whatever leaders we know, like for example, uh, leaders here, you can mention here now Mao. Mao was made by demand, because there was an oppressive rule. He wanted to change, and the people accepted his policies because there was a demand by then. Only one more leader who could stand against the kings, the rulers of China. Okay, so this is how the leader is created. Okay, uh, and you can think of Stalin. These were great leaders, those who were created by the people, right? In those countries, in Russia, this is in China. Okay, so that they were the demand, they were created by demand of that the kind of the people wanted, the situation wanted them to react against the Tsar. So Stalin reacted against SAR, TSAR, Tsar of Russia. And the same way, you can see leaders like, Mandela was also created because of the situation. Okay, so these are the great people, those who were born out of the situation, the demand put on them. So you have many examples here. Is that fine? Okay. Miss Rijana has, she puts the regions very well. She comes up with interesting regions. So, these three, topics that we have already analyzed, and we are just doing analysis. I have not typed or done any essay today. For that, you will have to wait for that until Friday. We'll be creating essays. Let's do some more, and like we have got two more, topics here. You have to identify cause and effect, and the way I have done. If there is no cause, you will have to determine the cause yourself.
सर
Yes.
हाम्रो रुटिन चेन्ज भयो र वेडनेसडे त म्याच हुन्थ्यो त
Okay. So can you analyze it? आज म्याथ्स को रुटिन चेन्ज भएको छैन. It's a temporary shift. Oh, therefore many people are in shock today, right? Oh, they were not notified?
नो सर
Oh. सरोज जी नोटिस थिएन? They are,
सर थिएन म त म्याथ क्लास होला भनेर कपी रेडी गरेर बसेको
oh my
तर
God.
मैले नोटिस देखेको रहेन रहेछ नोटिफाइड रहेछ त
Oh.
सर म त व्हाट्सएप ग्रुपमा छैन नि त व्हाट्सएप ग्रुपमा रहेछ
Okay, so others were notified or they are in shock?
सर नोटिफाइड भनेर मेसेज बक्समा सर मलाई चाहिँ थाहा थिएन सर इङ्ग्लिस हो भनेर आज
Okay, okay. I thought like because त्यो हुन्छ कि when you are in the mood of doing quantitative and you are doing verbal, then automatically it creates a kind of traumatic situation on your mind. So it's a Lakshmi Joshi is in shock. Okay.
सर
She
मैले
says,
चाहिँ हजुरको 7 बजेको पोस्ट हेरेको थिएँ सर अनि भर्बल भनेर थाहा पाएको थिएँ
okay. So can you do this one, the task that I have given here? Please identify the effect and cause. If the cause is not stated, you will have to mention. don't offer only cause or effect. Mention both of these, like cause and then colon, and then you write there what is the cause and then effect. So both of the things should be offered. Otherwise, it's very confusing. Miss Rajana, please take back your reply. Okay. It must be very systematic. I think you are facing problem in doing it. Again, I think if this kind of problem arises, you are taking much time to do it. So the students should be encouraged to pursue subjects. Should be encouraged is should is the typical language of claim or the effect. I think the writing में तपाईँहरूको स्थिति त्यो नाजुक लागिरहेको छ. Okay, the college students should encourage to pursue subjects that interest them rather than seek programs that promise entry into. So this part is of no use to us. The college students should be encouraged to pursue the subjects that interest them. Now, this is the effect, or you can say the claim is stated, but why is not stated here. So we have to understand what is the reason for the author to write it. So they can excel in the area of their interest. Okay, and that's like, or they can make a big mark. The second one, most people think that their deeply held values are the results of rational choice. But you know, when there is but factor here in the structure, you will have to suspend it. A region often has little to do. There is a shift here, right? Even in critical reasoning, many people make mistake because they don't understand the value of this contrast. It has already narrowed down. Region often has little to do with the way people form values. Now, this is the effect or claim or effect. So you see in all these things, effect and claim you can see, and then why region has little to do. Region does not play a big role in the formation of values, because there may be a region. What could be the reason that people do not think reasonably while forming the values? Means say values may be the outcome of tradition in practice for ages. Okay, so something that is in tradition in practice that has been coming for ages, and this is the reason why, you know, people may not be valuing region. For example, you know, the wearing of bangles by women, and that also colorful bangles. Okay, not white bangles or made of silver. Okay, so there is no decided or determined reason why they wear bangles, and that also colorful bangles. And how does sindoor make, you know, sindoor, you know, turn out to be an essential, an integral part of marriage? So these are the kind of traditions. And worshipping of Tulsi, and worshipping of. So there is no reason behind worshipping Tulsi plant. There is no reason behind worshipping, you know, that's called people plant, but people worship, right? The reason may be different, like there, but by worshipping you gain nothing. But if you chew Tulsi, what is called, if you chew Tulsi leaves, then yes, you are benefited. That can kill some bacteria and viruses. Okay, so now let me construct the thesis. So claim is very clear here. like college students should be, let me construct thesis in favor and then against. So the thesis, please write down the topic and thesis both. How will you construct the thesis for? I would say agree. For many people may ask me why for agree. It says the author sounds logical to a greater extent that. And then what will I do? I will bring this thing, copy, and then paste. Means you will write down the claim that college students should be encouraged to pursue subjects that interest. Now, full stop. Very simple. And then you will write here, hence I agree with her claim. Finished. I agree with her claim. ठीक है? सर claim को spelling गलत है. So wrong. This is very simple. And then you start writing. First, I would like to first, and then you write. You have to write 3 examples how college students can be benefited if they are encouraged to pursue subjects of their interest. So you must have some live examples, Jivit example, you must have good examples there. Okay, so if I go against, then if I write thesis against, then, well, against, I don't want to confuse you, just write agree. Can you note down this topic and this thesis? And can you try to, I'm not asking you to write the full thing, at least 3 examples you can collect at home. Gharma kamtima 3 example collect garnus in agreement. How many students do you know, or how many life biographies you know where they pursued the subjects of their interest and they became very successful? The next one, most people think that their deeply held values are the result, but region, this is the okay. If I have to write here, I have to go in favor again. Region has often, I'm just writing, it's not that it is compulsory for me to write in favor. You can take a position that you can prove with example. Yadi example chain hone, you can't prove it. So I'm writing again. To write it, I'll have to pick up something from here. It's ready-made. Up to that, I'll copy and paste. Okay, and then after that, what will I do? I'll copy from here and paste. So I'm just trying to show you how is it possible to, okay, now fine. After full stop, you will write again. There will be copy paste, hence I agree with her. When you're writing for Nepal, you can write even Hij, no problem. So you will be citing example like how many unreasonable things like the marriage must be performed with in the presence of a pandit. That's necessary in the tradition, but there is no like reasonable thing that marriage is only valid if it is performed in the presence of a pandit, okay, or giving a lot of money to pandit for chanting mantra. So that does not justify, or even samhain, or that's called sraddha in Nepali, samhain, huन्छन् samhain usko. This English comes from Ireland. Samhain means Shraddha. They also perform Shraddha. So like kind of that's called, and then we can just have a kind of parallel thing. Again, you need a Brahmin to perform Samhain. And again, you give a lot of wealth and money and this for the peace of the Atma. That has no reason, right? But this has been established value. So you are supposed to, you have many examples, I think, where region does not, satisfy you. Okay, is that fine? But don't say saying namaste, joining hands has no reason. Okay, it has a reason. It has a valid reason. It has a reason that I am respecting you, your Atma. Okay, so it's fine. Now, like you have to do it and then come. Okay, having done like 3 examples for both of the cases, like I have already given hint. 3टा example एउटाको लागि 3टा example अर्को लागि. We will construct this essay for you. What page is it? It's page number 15. I will save it. Okay, I'll find out. Save it. Okay. So we are ending up to here with a hope that you will find out 3 examples for both of them. Three examples. And I think you are in a shock. So you're not in the mood. I think the mood was not, I did not feel that mood into writing. So it's not healthy for your writing practice, because I think you thought it was quantitative class and suddenly it was because there is somebody, Lakshmi, she writes, she was in a shock. Miss Srijana Subedi was also in a shock.
भर्बल भयो भनेर शक भए भने हो त भर्बल पढ्न मन लागेन भनेको होइन नि त सर
होइन पढ्नको होइन त्यो I mean to say like a mindset changes, no? So suddenly you are like therefore I did not find the kind of any encouraging reply here, right? Means
sir,
activity. So I think
verbal bhai pani we are always ready ki sir.
No, you don't know. I know psychology much better. Okay, I've studied psychology, so it's the state of mind that suddenly changes. So maybe on Friday when you will have the verbal session, I think you will come up with the mindset of the writing, because of your writing jo cha त्यो it's not for me because I know how to write, it's for you how you can write, and तपाईको admission you नै determine गर्छ. Okay, so have a nice day, please practice, and I'm attaching a link here. I'll attach the link of one more reading comprehension practice material. You do that, I will see how you are doing. Okay, bye.